Hello class 5. In this video I am going to make one letter for you, and already we have done this, and only for the revision we are going to do this class. So from the very first I would like to say you that what are these letters, and the letters we are, suppose like I am here and I am wanting something. I'm wanting to tell something to my uncle or aunt who is residing in any different state or any different country. So we can write a letter to them. Nowadays we don't have to write these letters because we have different means of communications, and we can just take the phone and we can make a phone call and we can communicate with them, with our relatives. But it was in previous time we wrote letters to our relatives, to our friends and everyone. So for writing purpose we have to learn the manner, that means the rules of the letter writing, and we also should learn the ways of the letter writing. Okay, so as you know that letters are two types. Okay, number one, that is formal letter, and number two, that is informal letter. In class 5 you know that you have informal letters. Informal letters are also called, that is private letter. This letters, that means you are writing to your suppose your uncle, aunt, or your friends, or someone else who is residing far away from you. So these letters are called private letters or informal letters. So how we are writing these letters? The first of all, that means when we are starting the letter, first of all we are going to write here at the right hand corner. Okay, at the right hand side corner we should write our address. Okay, so as I am writing this letter, so I will be writing my address. Suppose like 90 comma C comma SP Road. Okay, then suppose I am residing at Behala. So here you will write Behala, and then after that Kolkata, and then Kolkata what? Suppose like it is 34. Am I clear? Then we are going to write that the date. Suppose today is 7th. So 7th of today is August, 7th of August, comma 21. In this way only we should write the that means the address and the date of the writer. Okay, who is writing the letter. So I am writing the letter, it is my address and it is my the date also when I am writing. Then we should write, suppose I am writing this letter to my friend. Okay, suppose I am writing this letter to my friend, so I will write here my friend's name. So as my friend, he or she will be dear to me, so we will write dear. Dear, then what shall we write? Suppose like my friend's name is Rai. Dear Rai. Then we will put a comma. Okay, now we can write about the topic. Suppose like if I am giving this topic, suppose here we can write also that I am inviting my friend on my birthday. So here I would like to write in this way. How? Now see. First of all we would like to write in this way that hope you are in the pink of your health. I am fine here too. Okay, so first directly you will not start that how are you, and first of all directly you will not start about the agenda of the story. Okay, first you will give the introduction part. So how you will give the introduction? In this way, that hope you are in the pink of your health and I am here fine, I am fine here too. Okay, so after that you can write about the that means the main agenda of the letter. Okay, so suppose like if I say that I'm inviting my friend. Okay, I'm inviting this friend whom I have written Rai. So I am writing this letter to my friend Rai. So how we will write? I will be suppose I am a student of class 5. So I will be 11, sorry, I will be 11. Okay, on coming, suppose 24th August. 11 here you will not write in this way, you will write in words. I will be 11 on coming 24th August. Okay. Then my parents are throwing one party in this occasion. Okay. I invite you to come on that day as early as possible. Okay. Most of my friends are coming. So I am hoping your presence also. Here I am rubbing. Okay. Then what I have written, hope you are in the pink of your health. I am fine here too. I will be 11 on coming 24th August. My parents are throwing one party in for this. Here you will not write in, you will write for this occasion. Okay, for this occasion. I invite you to come on that day as early as possible. Most of my friends are coming, so I am hoping your presence also. So now you will write, and here you can write not hoping, you can write also I am expecting. Okay, it will be better English. Expecting your presence also. Then it this all writing you should make in one paragraph, and then after that you will change the paragraph and you will write the different one. Okay, as you know these things very much, we have done also, and only for the revision I am telling you to follow this. Okay, so and last of all you will write that convey my regards to uncle and aunt and give love to your little sister. Okay, then you will write your name here. What you will write? You will write your name. Okay, your name will be written at the last. Your friend your name. You will write, suppose my name is Tara, so I am writing your name Tara, your friend Tara. Okay, then you know how to write the that means the address to whom I am sending the letter. So here also I am going to show you. Just a minute. Here you will write in this way. At the last portion, at the end of the page, left hand corner, you will make one. You will draw these two lines in this way with pencil. And here you will write also with the pencil. Also you will write only stamp, S-T-A-M-P, stamp. Then as you are writing this letter to your friend and who is a minor, so you will write his or her father or mother's name. Suppose I am writing my friend's mother's name. So first you will, whom you are writing the letter, his or her name should be there. So you are writing your friend, so friend's name will be there. So you write that Miss Rai Das. Okay. Then care of. Then her mother or father's name. Care of R Das. Okay. Then 3/5. Anything you can write. SK Road. Then Naktala, Kolkata. Suppose like 17. So only in this manner you will write the letter. Okay. Hope you have understood this very well, and we have practiced also a lot, so you will not have any problem. So go through that video once, so it will be good for you. Thank you.